So let's go back over what we came up with. So this is Definitive Innovation Season 3. The episode is 127, 2023. And we covered the topic, how do I start a company from scratch? All right, go to definitive-innovations.com and you can sign up. It's for either the newsletter or contact us and drop me an email if you have more specific questions, and we can tailor next week's conversation around what you requested. You can also message me through Twitch also. Definitive-innovations.com. Schedule Fridays, Monday, 9 p.m. Oh, see, I'm tired. Schedule is going to be Fridays, 9 p.m. It might be 10 Eastern Standard Time. So you need to dream up an idea, hopefully one that people would buy. Business name, get your website up, get business cards or a LinkedIn account. Some people say you don't need business cards. I gave you some pros and cons of doing that. It helped me. I liked getting them licensed. If you can afford to, go see a lawyer and go see an accountant, and explain to them what you're trying to do. They can help you. The safe bet is to create an LLC. You can change it to an S corp. Just remember, before you take $30,000 out of your business in 1 year, you want to change it to an S corp. That'll take about 4 months if you started off as an LLC. You'll save 15.3% on that 30,000. It's around 30,000. It depends what tax bracket you're in. Pick a full-time start date. You're going to build your runway cash. It's cash divided by monthly expenses equals how many months of runway you have. How many months you need is all going to depend on how long your lead time is to your sales in order to meet your needs. So if it's just a side gig, you can probably get away with a lot less. And how to figure out your monthly expenses and things, we'll definitely be talking about that kind of stuff later. Learn marketing. I still learn and study this. Define your idea. How is your product different? Research your competitors. Research your market. I'm gonna put that in here. Your market and competitors. Get your business plan going, even if it's just an outline of the sections of the business plan. If you want more help with business planning, we can do a whole episode on it. Again, some people say you don't need one. I disagree. I just say keep it simple, right? So your organization structure, who's the boss is what you're after there. Not, it's an LLC. No, it's who's the CEO, who's the CFO, who's this, who's that. How's it gonna function? We probably should do a whole episode on business planning. Financial planning, we will cover that. Make your workspace. Tell your friends and family. That's going to give you some accountability. Plan your next year. Future planning episode. Let me change that to strategic planning. Go get your socials locked in. Get your federal EIN. That's a social security number for your business. Get your business bank account. This is going to start building your business's credit. Start building. And it's going to keep it separate from your personal. So you need to do this right away. There's some things that require time limits. Some banks won't give you funding unless you've had your business bank account and been established as a bank for two, or as a business for 2 years and things like that. So there's some time related reasons why you need to do that, even if you're not doing it and selling yet. Meet with a CPA and a lawyer when you can. The CPA is critical. The lawyer, not so much. In the beginning, figure out who your customer is generically, so you don't have to nail it down. We'll talk about building personas later. And then you need to create content. So the idea behind the content is it's going to get your name out there, get you in front of people. It's exactly what I'm doing here right now. So it's your books, blogs, white papers, articles, newsletters, videos, slide decks, and podcasts. So my hope is that obviously you build a business and then you need help and you start making six figures and then you need a consultant, and hey, then I can help you with that. Until then, I'll help you for free. Whatever I can do, whatever I know, I'll be here every Friday. Like we said, we think at 9. I'll try to hone in on that, 9 to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then I'll help you build your business and get it off the ground. And I'll teach you anything that I can. I'll help you research, and we can even design topics around it. So, there is a whole bunch more in this slide deck. So there's setting up your firm, marketing, selling your services, pricing your work, negotiating with clients, protecting intellectual property, structuring consulting engagements. This is because it was written for consulting specifically. Managing legal issues, mitigating risks. Consulting, marketing, selling, contracting, administering. Other topics that we can go into: writing a business plan, solving business problems, getting your ideas approved, building high performance teams, contracting, negotiating, making recommendations. Legal counsel can help you with these issues: business structure, intellectual property, contracting, compensation, and HR issues. Financial counsel, your CPA, can help you with accounting, managing cash flow, conducting financial planning activities, investing, and business valuation. Your accountant can also help you with tax advice, federal, state, and local taxes. If you're selling a product, you need to go get a state EIN, also a state tax ID. If your state charges sales tax. So if you're selling a physical product, you probably need to get with that accountant a lot sooner. Like I said, if once you make $500, $300, $500, most states I think you can make $10,000 revenue before you have to start claiming the things. But sales tax would be different, I think. Sales tax, I don't think there's a threshold for it. I'm not sure. I don't sell a physical product. I don't resell a physical product. So you would need some help with that. Commercial activity tax, that's for if you're incorporated and things like that. Filing tax returns. If you start your business today, you do not have to do a tax return. That you'll do your tax return on your business next year. Documentation requirements, deductibility of expenses, things like that, your accountant can help you with. Some things to think about: your client industry, the client size, Will you serve profit or nonprofits, government agencies, service delivery? How are you going to get your product out there? This is about analyzing your product, understanding revenue model. Oh, this depends on how you're going to bill. If you're doing hourly, project based, things like that. Yeah, we can get into licensing fee structures. This was designed around consulting business. So how to manage your cost structure, build your organization, team structures, marketing, more marketing, contracts, blah 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 blah. So we're not going to go into all that until we have an actual example in the room. So that was our initial stream. I hope the sound was okay. Otherwise, I got to do it again, which is fine. I'm glad to be back to Twitch. I'm really glad that you came and stopped and watched this video. If there's anything I can do for you and your business, please reach out. I just am trying to be helpful. That's the goal of this, and I enjoy helping and want to be of service to you. So, however I can do that, just let me know. And we'll see you guys, next week, I hope. And if you're here for the business stream, you don't need to go backwards. This is the first one. So, it was all gaming streams in the past. Have a good night. See you next week.